All right, so we're going to go over the acronym or the phrase that we use to help us solve order of operations. So it's PIMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's what we use in order to solve order of operation problems and make sure we're solving the right operations in the correct order. So we're going to drag and drop the symbol or term into the correct box. So I did the multiplication division one, because M stands for multiplication, the D stands for division, and then I put the multiplication and division sign. So let's start with the P. The P is our parentheses. So I'm going to click and I'm going to drag my parentheses into the term because that is the word that stands for the P. E is our exponents. So that's our word that represents the E. And then multiplication like I did. And then you have addition and subtraction, which is the A and the S. Okay? So now that we have our words in the correct place, let me add a border on this. Now that we have the words in the correct place, now let's do the symbols. The P is our parentheses, the E is our exponents, and the AS is our addition and subtraction. We should all be able to do exponents very easily between these three symbols. And you should be clicking the 5 to the 7th power. So that would go in your exponents box. You also know what addition and subtraction is, so you should be dragging that addition and subtraction into that box. Now, I put left to right in there for you because that's how you solve it. When they're next to each other, you solve them left to right. Don't forget that. And then we haven't really focused on parentheses. That's coming up next week, but parentheses are like those two little curves that we put around numbers. And I'll explain more in depth what parentheses are. You may already know a little bit about them, but we're going to go more in depth with them in order of operation come next week. So if you have any questions, please contact me. I'd be glad to help you all.